Mondo mi ikungo omenda e yo mayot kendo e yo mowinjore, onego ibed kod paro mar kungo dwe ka dwe, juma ka juma, kata odiochieng' kodiochieng'.
Radio Ramogi, Cartoon Jaluo. Radio Ramogi.
In what is now Kenya's worst drought in 40 years, over 5 million Kenyans are facing starvation. And almost 1 million children are staring into an uncertain future due to hunger and malnutrition. The situation is predicted to get even worse in the coming months. Our time to act is now. We have always been there for each other in the spirit of togetherness. One people, one nation. Together, we can help children in the worst hit counties to have a tomorrow to look forward to. Every help counts. To send your donation, dial *802# on your phone or visit www.saidika.co.ke, an initiative of Kenya Red Cross Society and Saidika.
Masemana chake na kuromoga juang moto kama pasi elongo ni moto ebele. Dano moro kabisa fan page mara Ramogi TV dano ngeny kai kabisa.
Kidonjo fu ma serious ikite ngoma oake.
Kete manaka kod Papa Vic. Ngoma wake wuok tich nyaka tich abich, saparo diambo nyaka sapar gario.